Yeah.
Alright, so welcome to the Black Money course. This course is going to teach you the full idea of how to market yourself so that you're making a snowball of perpetual growth, and how to boost sales, how to make it so that you have a quality system that is always making it possible for you to make more money. I realize that several of you may have come here for particularly marketing, particularly sales, a particular type of training, but one must understand how the whole machine works in order to understand how best a part works. So what I'll do is with every single one of you, teach you the entirety of the machine so that you're able to fully function and fully capitalize on whatever marketing, whatever like specific thing that we're having you know. And I want each and every one of you to be a success in your own right, and I want it to be so that our country is thereby resurrected, our country is thereby helped, and our country has lifeblood because we're pumping it out. So that's the nature of this. That's the nature of this course.